Welcome back to my channel, everyone. And for those of you who are new to this channel, thank you so much for joining us today. Here is a story that's making its debut today on Mixup, in the Mixup scene. Yes. Today, allegedly, Dwayne finds out that he's possibly a father. And this allegation, Dwayne took to his social media to express his feelings towards the situation. He admits that while he is not sure that the child is his, he had unprotected sex with the individual who is allegedly carrying his child. Dwayne states that he felt threatened based on the way that they came at him about the situation, and he came to social media to clear things up. He admitted that the way he conducted himself wasn't the right thing to do, and he apologized for his behavior. No. Dwayne also went on to say that if this child is his, that he would be thankful because he should have had a child long ago. Here is a synopsis of the video. Enjoy.
The other day I made a, well, when I got that news the other day about the pregnancy and whatever, honestly, I know I came on the page, and because of the way these people, they came at me, like I felt somewhat threatened, you know. I felt like they gave me an ultimatum. I had no choice but to come on my page and behave the way I behaved. Honestly, it wasn't right. It really wasn't right the way I conducted myself. Right? Good night, Sharon Ricketts. It wasn't right the way I conducted myself, but at the end of the day, I believe like I had no choice but to behave the way I did, you know? Put yourselves in my shoes, guys. Put yourselves in my shoes. Like somebody coming out of the blue that you know you've messed with, coming to you and say, I'm expecting whatever, and it's my baby or it's your baby, whatever. How would you feel? And then they went and said,
May I beg you to subscribe now, share, like, and comment on the video.
To me, oh, they're gonna come my if I don't start acknowledging things, if I don't come on my page, they're gonna come on my page and go on platforms that they know I frequent and write up in their comments, whatever, that I've done this, that, and I'm somewhat disowning the child. To be clear, guys, I'm not a person who would have disowned any child. I believe having a child, it is a blessing. Is Sue. Let's just say, stick it where I wasn't supposed to stick it, you know? And now these people are throwing their baby on me, saying I'm the dad of the baby, whatever, you know? Yes, the way I behaved on the page, it was somewhat not warranted. Don't call me. I'm trying to get my thoughts out. I'll give you guys a floor soon. So it wasn't a, the way I came on the page with that whole debacle. Guys, honestly, put yourself in my shoes. Like, yes, I know I went there, whatever, and
What are your thoughts on Dwayne's situation? Do you think he should do the DNA test now, or he should wait until after the child is born? Do you think he handled the situation in a mature way? And how do you see him going forward? Please comment your answers in the comment section below.
yes, I know I went there. I did went there, and I was dumb to not use protection. I was dumb to not use protection, and this is the result, right? The people that are coming to me telling me like they are pregnant, and their parents are coming at me. Their parents even had a chat with my parents, my mom and my stepdad and whatever, even though they didn't have a chat with my dad because